Hello, fifth graders. Welcome back to Reader's Workshop. We're going to continue today with a piece of reading or text that we started yesterday. All right, so again, we're in our mentor text, and we're on pages 14 and 15. Okay, so if you remember from yesterday, we read scene 1 of the play, where we saw Papa feeling a little nervous and a little unsure of the situation. And we saw Mr. Bailey being a little demanding. Okay, Mr. Bailey is demanding that Papa move his farm so this Tennessee Valley Authority can build a dam. Right, so the Tennessee Valley Authority is trying to build a dam to give work. But if you remember, Papa was feeling a little nervous about switching farms. He didn't think he had enough money and enough resources to do that. All right, so we're going to pick up in scene 2, and you will be doing the same or similar work. Right, so again, before you start reading, let's look at our purpose for reading today. All right, and again, we're working on our inferences, looking for clues to make a guess or an educated guess on a character. Okay, so today it says reread scene 2 of The Flooded Valley. Make an inference about how Mama is feeling and support your answer with at least 2 details from the text. Okay, so today I'm going to encourage you to read this to yourself. If you have a parent or a sibling that would like to read it with you, that would be a great idea. Or the other option is that you can listen to the story on Benchmark. All right. And it would be a great idea to have a pencil with you. So anytime you see words that help you understand how Mama is feeling, underline them, right? And those you can use in the answer or in today's work. All right, go ahead and get started, fifth graders. And as always, reach out if you have any questions.